This is Ghostman and I'm back with another video. It's kind of bad lighting right now. Not really, but kind of. But yeah, today we're going to be making some, as you can see by the title. So yeah, let's get into that. And I'm not going to be in my room. I'm going to be in the kitchen. I'm in the bathroom right now to do my intro. But yeah, I'm going to be in the kitchen doing it. And yeah. So yeah, let's get into that. So yeah, and I'm making some with my little brother. He's here. But anyways, yeah, let's get into the video. So I have my bottle of glue. It's gonna be brown because Thanksgiving coming up. I got that. And I'm using borax this time. So yeah. Gonna see how this works out. Because I've never used borax before. So yeah, I usually use Tide. So I'm gonna pour my glue. I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't know if it's gonna work or not. So yeah. And then if it does work, I'm gonna add more. No, I am gonna use a lot. Who cares? I change my mind a lot. But yeah. You okay? I don't know if y'all can see him. He's like right there. There you go. But yeah. So now I'm about to I'm gonna have to stare it. Sit down, what are you doing? Don't try to put your hand in this. He will try to put his hand in it. No, you can't put your hand in it. Get my spoon, boy. Yeah, I'll be back. So I gave him to my mom because he was like being crazy. But yeah. I need scissors, so let's go get that. Okay, so I couldn't find any that were open, so I got a new pack. But that's fine. They have a lot of scissors. Okay, there's that. Get this out. I think I used this before, but it'll still work. Hopefully. Yeah, it works. Okay, that's enough. Put that right there. Wait, no. Gotta put this back in here. Now I'm gonna wash my hands. Yeah, this is really cool. You know, looks like a true branch or something. I have a pop socket now, so I could just do this. Focus. But yeah, looks amazing. So now I'm gonna stare this. It's like, okay. I'm gonna stare this. That's really pretty. It's like a light brown. I'm not gonna show y'all yet because that's just gonna ruin the surprise. Duh. But yeah. It's like pretty though. It looks like a caramel. I wanted it to be darker, but it's okay. For now, I'm guessing I add borax. I've never done this before, like I said, so don't do it. I'm gonna get a measuring thing. Okay, so I got a measuring tool. It's 2.5 milliliter. I can't say that word. So yeah. Okay. Now there. Oh my god, it's forming. Someone gave this to me, by the way. I thought it was water at first because, like, look how clear it is. Like, usually it's, like, kind of white, but I'm gonna do two at a time because if I do one, it's gonna take forever. not working. Okay, I'm gonna add a lot more. There we go. I think I added too much. Okay, I'm gonna go fix this and I'll show you. Okay, so I made it better, and I'm gonna show y'all the after. See, it's like a caramel color. It's really pretty. Oh no, it's sticky. It's really sticky. It's really sticky, seriously. Finger. Got some on my finger. It's really good poke though. Let's start poking it. No, I didn't fart. That was my pop socket. Gonna give you all the up close. See, but people think that like slime, like if you like are poking it and you poke it really slow, it's sticky. Like, of course it's gonna be sticky, but poke it fast. Like, duh, who doesn't do that? I don't want to put it on the table because that's where we eat. I'm gonna fix the camera. That's where we eat. But that's like where we eat, so I don't want like slime on the table. Someone's crying back there. Who cares? But anyways, yeah. It's really good. But that's it for our video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So yeah. And I'm gonna be announcing my Musical.ly winner tomorrow. Well, it's gonna be. I'm gonna do it today, but it's gonna be tomorrow for y'all because I have to edit and all that. But yeah. So yeah. So yeah. Make sure you can't see me right now. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Alright. Bye. Bye, Savage Squad. That's what I'm gonna start calling you. The Savage Squad. Okay? Okay. Cause we savages up in here. Savages. Ah. Bye.